Okay, bro, I'm starting the recording. Okay. So this book is called The
Okay.
Intelligent Investor. And lot of billionaires, they use this book only for doing financial analysis. They use this book as the base. Okay. For example,
Okay.
Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, one guy is there. I'll just show you. So there is one more American investor. His name is Charlie Munger. Okay. I'll just once again, I'll stop the video also. Can you see
Hmm.
it now? Charlie Munger. So this guy is also an investor, and
Yes.
all the big investors, they read this book only, bro, without start before starting their career. Okay.
Hmm.
So I'll just open this book now.
Hmm.
1 second. So this has totally 20 chapters, and they have about everything like
Hmm.
investment versus speculation. What is investment? First chapter is what is investment. Okay. Second chapter, they will be teaching about inflation. Third is like how the stock market history was. Everything, bro. Whatever you want to learn about share market, this book will teach you about it. Whatever you want to learn. Okay. Even mutual fund also, whatever you want to learn, every concept will be in this book. And if you see here, even Warren Buffett has written a special page about uh, Benjamin Graham. What he told was when he was 19 years old, he started reading the book, it seems. And all his investment principles, whatever Warren Buffett used, it is from this book only. Can you hear me, Siva? You can hear,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Yes. I can able to
yeah,
hear, and also I am following the book as well. While you are explaining each page, I
yeah,
follow parallel to you.
yeah. That's good. That's good. That's good. So, like in the what this guy is saying is like Warren Buffett is saying is, you don't need like high IQ. You don't need to be intelligent to invest well. Okay. What he is telling us, you should just be emotionally controlled. That means like you should not be very greedy and you should not be very scared also. What you have to do is you have to have a framework, like a set of formulas which you have to clearly follow. Then only you can become successful. That is successful like consecutively. Every year you have to get good. You will get good result if if you follow a particular formula is telling. Okay. So that
Okay.
was what he was telling here. You need a emotional discipline is telling.
Yes.
Okay. Then what he is telling us from stock market folly. That means like stock market, a share will only be worth 5 rupees, but share market will sell it for 50 rupees.
Hmm.
Okay, it will be overpaid. Like for example, Reliance and all, it is not
Hmm.
that much high value, but it is like overpaid, right? So he's telling like how to find those type of stocks also, and we should not buy those stock. We should not buy costly stock. It is just like if you are buying a new phone, you are seeing right 50% offer, 40% offer, and you are buying it, right.
Hmm.
So similarly, what he's saying is even in share market, there will be some shares which is like 50% offer, 60% offer. Only in offer you have to buy.
Hmm.
And like after offer is over, when it goes to 100% also you can sell it. Even if you sell it at 100%, you will get a good profit. That is what he's selling. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are the core principle which Benjamin Graham follows. Okay. These are
Hmm.
5 points. Okay. First
Hmm.
point is what is telling us what is a stock. He's describing what is stock. A stock is not a ticker symbol or electronic blip. That means a stock is not a price. It is ownership interest in a business. Okay. So for example, what share is? It is your interest. It's a ownership interest. For example, I bought Muthoot, right? Because it
mm,
is my ownership interest in gold. That is why I bought Muthoot. The reason I bought Venki's was it was my ownership interest to use this bird flu. Okay. Since bird flu, all the prices are decreasing and I want to use it. That is why I bought this stock. Okay. That was what he was telling first point. Okay. Second point, what is telling us market is a pendulum. Market is a pendulum means at one time market will be very high. At another time market will be very low. Okay. What it will do is it won't stay in one point. It will keep decreasing, it will keep increasing, it will keep decreasing, it will increase, decrease, increase, decrease like a clock. Okay. Like a pendulum. What is telling us the intelligent investor is a realist who sells to optimist and buy it from pessimist. He's telling like this. So this means what is telling us if a share price is increasing, then we must sell it. If a share price is decreasing, we must buy it. That is what he is telling. Okay.
oh,
Because if a share price is decreasing, then it will come in a sale. When it comes in a
bro,
sale, yeah, tell me.
one doubt I have.
Yeah,
When the prices are increasing, then we have to sell.
yeah,
So we have to sell means we have to buy that stock before, right? Whenever it was in crisis or whenever it
yeah,
was in
yeah.
low.
Correct, correct, correct. Whenever it is in crisis, that is a perfect
Mhm.
opportunity to buy the share, like Corona times. Okay.
Okay.
And right now, everything is inflated. Okay. So we
Mm.
must actually decide and we must sell it. Okay.
Oh.
We,
Mm.
like we have to do a proper calculation. You have to know which price you are going to sell. And when the price comes or near it, then you can sell it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So third thing, the future value of every investment is a function of its present price. The higher the price you pay, the lower your return will be. So in this, I'll tell you what is telling. Okay. For
Mm.
example, a Reliance share.
Mm.
Reliance share price, if you see 6 months, it is like this. Okay.
Mm. Mm.
So if I'll put 1 year I'll put. If it is increasing and you are buying here, if you are paying higher price and you are selling here, you are getting only 200 rupees profit per share. But if you are buying here when it is low, then you are getting 1000, okay, more than 1000 rupees profit you are getting per share. That is what he is telling. Like only
Okay.
when it is very cheap, then only you have to buy it. If it is increasing and you buy it here or here, you will get only 2%, 3% profit. That is what is telling. But if you buy it at a crisis or very cheap rate, then you can have lot of profit. That is what is telling. Okay.
Mm.
So the higher the price you pay, the lower your return will be. If you pay 2000 rupees, you will get only 200 rupees profit. That is what is telling. Then next point is no matter how careful you are, one risk no investor can ever eliminate is the risk of being wrong. By insisting, so what is telling us? Out of if you are investing 10 stock, okay, you can't be
Mm.
correct in all the 10 stocks. You can on, but if you are correct in 6 stock, that is more than enough. That is what he is telling. You don't need to pick stock. All the stock should not be profitable. Need not be profitable. Out of 10 stock, even if 6 stocks are profitable, then we can get good returns. Okay, that is what he's telling. Next thing
Okay.
what is telling us, we have to use some concept called margin of safety. This is a very important concept, margin of safety.
Mm.
I'll show you example, 1 minute. Okay, now you are seeing this diagram. Okay,
Yes.
so this is the intrinsic value. You will do something called as fundamental analysis and you will get this intrinsic value.
Mm.
What you have to do is you have to the whatever price you are buying, it has to be 10% or 15% from the intrinsic value. Then only you should buy.
Okay.
If a share is 100 rupees and it is decreasing to 99, we should not buy it at 99. You should only buy it at 90.
Okay.
So when you buy it at 90, automatically at one time it will increase to the intrinsic value. So from 90 it will automatically it will increase to 100. Okay.
Mm,
So that is what it's telling. You should be like investment, whatever you invest, lot of risk is there, bro. Okay. What you
mm,
have to do is you have to minimize the risk. The risk should be as less as possible. For
mm,
example, I will tell an example, okay? For example, I told I'm investing in gold, right?
mm,
Like in gold stocks. So if you look at here, whatever I'm having is I'm having screener, I'm having ET news, I am having this thing, commodity news, I'm having money control, economic time, everything I'm having. So what I will do is every day I'll click this. I will
mm,
see I will see whatever news is coming, I'll read everything. Whatever daily news is coming about gold, I'll read about everything. Okay. Then
mm,
I'll go to another big website. Okay. Here also there is news, commodity news will be there. Okay.
mm,
This
mm,
one also I will read all the news about gold. So if you read all these news, you will have a good idea on how your stock is going to perform and how gold is going to perform and everything. So even if you see my YouTube subscription, I'll show you what and all YouTube channel I am subscribing.
mm,
I'm subscribing this many channel. Okay. One
mm,
for gold, I'm subscribing one channel. Okay. For like I'm for two things, just for gold, I'm subscribing. Okay. Then there is also for Kitco news is there. That is also for gold. So see, even today, 10 hours back, they have released. I have seen that also. One portfolio manager, Joy Foster. He has talked about it and I have seen it. So what I'm doing is whatever is required in that for one stock, I'm reading all the news for it. So you have to do proper research for whatever you're doing. So if you do proper research, you will be very safe. Okay, your risk will be decreased. Okay, that is what
okay.
he's telling. Next thing, what he's telling us, it everything depends on your behavior. Okay, like if it is falling rapidly, you should not get very scared. You should not get very greedy. That is what he's telling. It's the last point, and you should have patience. Whatever you are investing, it should be like minimum you have to think 1 year ahead. If 2021 you are investing, you have to think of 2022 definitely. Like you should not think of like in 1 month I learned this much, in 2 months I learned this much, or in trading I learned this much. Because trading under a lot of people will lose money only. Okay. Although they will gain lot of money, okay, but mostly they lose only. That is what he's telling. Because
Yes,
trading is a
yes.
zero sum game. What trading is if you win 50 rupees, I will lose 50 rupees. If I win 100 rupees, you will lose 100 rupees. That is what trading is. Okay.
Yeah. Here one doubt I have, bro.
Yeah.
In the trading, so one people getting money. That is why some people are losing.
Yeah.
In the investment, how the prices are increasing?
Yeah. How the prices are
Company,
increasing is I'll show you.
company.
Yeah,
Mm,
yeah, I'll show you. That's a very good question. How company
yeah.
price is increasing is through balance sheet.
Yes.
Okay. I have showed you three sheets. Like in quarterly, there is earning per share, right? If earning per
Mm,
share increases, the profit will increase. The price of share will increase. If the net profit increases, the price of share will increase. So it depends on balance sheet, cash flow statement, and quarterly results. If
yes,
all
bro.
the
My,
three are
my
very good,
doubt is like,
yeah. If all the three are very good, the price will automatically increase only.
hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, bro. My doubt is like, so the price value is increasing.
Yeah,
Means everyone needs to buy their own money.
yeah. If they buy
Company
only,
won't.
the price will increase. If they sell, it will decrease.
Actually, there is a supply demand. I think so, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct.
Okay, the company performance is very very good. That is why every people are interested to buy the stock.
Buy the
There
stock,
is
so it will increase. Correct.
okay, okay, bro.
Okay, understood.
I got.
Yeah, okay. So like automatically in 2 years, 3 years, if a
Mm,
company is constantly performing good, then of course its price will increase only. Correct.
mm,
So what you have to do is you have to choose a very good company. Like it should have excellent balance sheet and excellent result it should have. Then only you have to invest.
okay.
Today one news I put in WhatsApp status, no? Tata Communication.
Yes, yes, yes. Tata Communications suddenly it got increased like.
So what happened was one news came that
Mm,
Junjunwala, Rakesh Junjunwala, he's called as Big Bull. He has
mm,
invested, people got that news and everyone started buying that share. So it increased by 10 percentage. In 1 minute, I was seeing live, bro. Like it was
mm,
4% at one time. Suddenly it became 10%. Suddenly it became 6.7%. Okay.
mm,
So if you are doing like that, of course you'll be in loss only. Okay.
yes.
Like that behavior you should not have actually.
Mm,
Yeah. One more thing what is telling us, yeah, one more thing what is telling us, I'll tell one more thing whatever he was telling. Dollar cost averaging, I told you, right? Like if you
mm,
have 10,000 rupees, you should not put 10,000 rupees at once. In 30 days, you have to put 500 rupees, 500 rupees, 500 rupees. You have to think and you have to invest. And you have to invest
okay.
so that the dollar cost averaging, even if you are getting lost, no, like
Mm,
as like for example, if Muthoot Finance, no, I'll show you the graph where I bought. I'll show. So I bought it here. Okay,
mm,
I bought it somewhere. I bought it here. Okay, and I bought it
mm,
here, and
mm,
now price is here. No,
mm,
so this minus this actually gave me a profit now
yes.
because I bought here also. I bought here also. If I bought
Mm,
all the shares here, then I would
mm,
have loss only now.
yes.
Understood. So we have to buy. You have to do dollar cost averaging.
Okay.
Then one more thing is, for example, now Elon Musk he became a billionaire, right?
Mm,
So what everyone are telling us, I'm going to invest in electronic vehicle. I'm going to invest in electronic vehicle. Everyone are telling.
mm,
If you think like that, then also you will go in loss only, because already a lot of people would have invested in electronic vehicles already before you.
mm,
So even if you, so what you are doing is you are just buying a overpriced share.
mm,
If you are buying overpriced share, if some failure happens, no, you will lose all your money. So it will be waste
yes.
only. So that was one thing what he was telling. Then what he was telling us, whatever is there, no, there is two type of things. One is speculation, one is investment. Okay.
Okay.
Speculation means it is like I'm just browsing. For example, I'm seeing money control. Okay.
Mm,
In money control, I'm seeing like this. So what they are telling us, they are telling buy this, sell this. They are telling right.
mm,
Wow, you should never follow that. If you follow that, that is only speculating. Okay.
mm,
What you should do is you have to do a thorough market research. That is what you have to do. For example, I'll just show you. What I'll do is I went to Muthoot Finance. Then I'll go to investors. I'll go. Okay. At least I will see everything. Like I'll see corporate presentation. Whatever is there, I'll simply I click. I'll just watch it. For example, you can watch this also. S- I'm just showing you example. This is old things, but I'm just showing you example. If you read all this, you will get a good idea on what your company is doing, what product your company is selling. Okay. If you read
okay.
all this, look at this. They are telling these are the core values. See, if you see this, you will get in 26 states they are having all the companies. 4,200 brands they have, 22,000 members they have. This much gold they are keeping it as security.
Hmm.
So if you read all this, then of course what you will do is if 138 tons they are keeping as safety for security. Okay. So if gold price is increasing, the value of this much gold, this much kilo of gold, it will increase a lot, right?
Yes.
Even if a price of gold is increasing by 100 rupees, this whole thing will be increased by hundreds of crore rupees. So it is like that. Okay.
Okay.
So like that, what you have to do is you have to do a research. Like everything is there. No, this one is what is the business process. So for gold loan, what they are doing, this process they are doing. So I'll read
Hmm.
all this. First, the customer is seeing the scheme, then he's getting the proof of the customer, then he is giving the gold is giving. So gold, the pledge form they are printing it. Okay.
Hmm.
So they are doing everything. All these 11 steps they are doing. Everything you have to read, bro. Before you open a business, before you are
Hmm.
investing in something, you have to read everything. See how many pages are there for this. So many, like 79 pages are there, but all are diagrams only. At least you have to look
Bro,
at all this.
it is in website or else where it is?
I went to that website, muthootfinance.com. I went.
Ah, yes, I am also in that one only.
Yeah,
Where
under
it
that
is?
there's something called as investors.
For investors.
Yeah, investors, there are a lot of report, corporate presentation, investor presentation and all. No, you can click investor
Investor.
presentation.
Yes. Yes, bro. I got the pages.
Yeah,
No pages are available.
I think
Investor
what I
presentation
clicked was
quarterly.
corporate presentation. I don't remember.
I think it is corporate presentation.
Okay.
It is also like yes, PDF is there, right?
Yeah,
December PDF you downloaded.
yeah.
Got it.
So it is like that, bro. Like you will have a good eye. Like before you are investing in any company, okay,
Hmm.
do a complete research on it. At least spend a 1 day, 2 day on reading only about that company. Okay.
Okay.
And you don't need to invest in 5 different share and all. You don't need to invest, bro. You can
Hmm.
invest on same share. But whatever you are investing in, you have to have that confidence.
Hmm.
Okay. You should know everything about it. All the news about this company you have to read. Whatever this company depends on, you have to read. Okay. For example, I'll tell you example. This Muthoot Finance is depending on gold. Okay. If gold
Hmm.
increase, Muthoot Finance share increase. If gold decrease, Finance share will decrease. Okay. So then what
Yes.
I do is, what factors affect gold I put. Okay. For what factors affect gold? US market bond yield. If the US market bond yield increases, the share price will go up. Then Indian jewelry market. For example, next month is actually a marriage month, right? So everyone will
Yes.
buy jewelry. So of course, gold price will increase. Okay. So everything is like that only, bro. You should know everything. You should just learn as much as you can about one topic. About one company you have to learn. That is enough. You don't need to learn about there are only 6,000 companies in share market. No. Learn
Hmm.
only about one or two company. That is enough.
Okay.
Yeah. For me personally, like I am very comfortable in Muthoot and Manapuram. Because I understood the market. I know what all factors affect it, and I can do a very well idea of how it is going. Okay, so now I won't see that much of Manapuram share how it is moving and all, because I know already it is going to get me a good profit in the future. Okay, so that is why what I did was I started seeing bird flu news. What I thought was all these things are coming, no corona. What you have to see is how can I get money advantage from corona? How can I get profit from bird flu? How can I get profit? Like that you have to think. Then only you can buy good assets.
Okay.
Because then only share price will come and sale, no? Like for example,
Yes,
this
yes.
Venky's, it came in 12% offer. I thought, wow, 12% offer, I'll buy one. Okay. Even if the price decrease for 10%, I'll buy one more share next month. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, then I'll see how it goes. But that is very speculative. I won't buy that one that much. Okay. But this gold thing, I'm very comfortable and I'm very knowledgeable about it.
Okay.
See, I'll show you example. I'll show my history, watch history. Okay.
Hmm.
Like leave all this, leave all this. About bird flu, see this about bird flu. I saw a lot of videos about like
Hmm.
this one for cryptocurrencies. I'm seeing okay. Then here and all I was seeing
Hmm.
about gold. I was seeing okay. So what are everything for me is finance only, bro. If you look everything, mostly I'm doing financial research only. Financial research as well as whatever I'm studying. I'm doing machine learning, right? I'm learning a lot of machine learning concepts because I
Yes.
like it. Okay, so this is how
Okay.
what this is what I'm following. So now you got a good idea on introduction, right? On this
Yes, bro.
intelligent
Yes,
investor.
yes.
So what
Yes.
you do is you can just try reading the first 10 pages and you can see if you understand it. If you understand it well, tomorrow I can take the first chapter. We can continue on the first chapter. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Okay. Okay, bro. Then bye.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.